Welcome back. Now we will focus on the object manager and the data model in Salesforce. You've seen this a few times. Go to your setup, go here to the object manager, and what you can see here are a lot of objects. And you see here the type, these are all standard objects. Which standard objects are provided from Salesforce itself. These standard objects can be hidden in profiles. We have seen this before. These standard objects can be renamed. So once you go to your setup and types in rename tabs and labels, then here you're able to, let's say here the account, rename it to whatever you want. But there's one thing you can't do, you can't delete the standard objects. What you can do is you can create a custom object, which means standard objects provided from Salesforce, custom objects done by yourself. Therefore, you go here to create a custom object. Don't worry, we will do this in the next video. Here we will just focus on the data model at the beginning. So as I said, we have standard objects and we have custom objects, and these objects are somehow related or not. Therefore, I've made a few small slides for you. I will post it also on this video. You have a so-called lookup relationship. There you can have a lookup between standard objects, a standard to custom object, or custom objects to each other. As an admin, you're able to create all these three types of relationships, and there are also here so-called self relationships, like an account to an account, contact to a contact, whatever you want. And we have there another case, it's called master detail relationship. There are standard to standard master relationships. Let's say, for example, an account can have many opportunities, but one opportunity is always related to one account and not to many. So we have a one-to-many relationship from the account to the opportunity. What's important here? You can create a standard custom relationship or a custom to custom relationship. You can't have a custom object as a master of a standard in this master detail relationship. And what's also important here, if you delete the master record, also the parent record, also the child record gets deleted, except you allow reparenting for this child custom object, which means if you then delete this relationship, you can let's say reparent it, create a new relationship to another master or parent or whatever you want. And then we have one special case, is this many to many relationship. Good example here is, let's go to our opportunities, are the so-called opportunity products. You see here we have at the moment in our system 37 products. We have a lot of opportunities in our system. And once I click on this opportunity, for example, you see I have this opportunity products. In this case, especially two, we have so two out of this product, so opportunity product, master detail to product, and a master detail to opportunity. So we have one opportunity and two of this product. That's the so-called junction object. I have here another example for you. Let's go back to our object manager, and once we combine all our standard objects, all our custom objects, and all the relationships, then out of it we get a data model. And once you want to make this visible here in Salesforce, you have the so-called schema builder. You see here, let's say we want to select all objects, and you see here there are a lot of relationships between all of these objects. You can here play around yourself and see how these objects are all related to each other. Let's clear all and just have a look at, for example, the accounts, the contacts, the leads, and let's say the opportunities. Then you see here only the relationships between these objects, or also not. And you see here also on the account we have now a self relationship that you can relate accounts to other accounts. I would suggest here to play around with the schema a bit. The main focus for you should be to keep in mind you have standard objects, you have custom objects, and you have the three types of relationships, how these objects can be related to each other. Then see you in the next video once we create a custom object and fields to it on our own. Thank you.